This video will outline the various features available from the service menu and how to use them. Within the service menu, you will find instructions to perform tasks such as reset oil light, reset TPMS light, and register a battery. Note, some vehicles do not support certain service features, so options will vary. In particular, battery registration is only necessary for a small number of manufacturers and not applicable to most makes. To reach the service options, tap Service on the Scan Tool tab. As is the case with other BlueDriver features, you'll need to set your vehicle to utilize service features. Most often, this is done automatically when you connect BlueDriver to your vehicle. However, in the cases where a vehicle does not allow automatic VIN detection, setting your vehicle may have to be done manually. Setting your vehicle is covered at length in another video, but as a refresher, you'll need to move to the Vehicle Info screen and enter your VIN, or select a vehicle year and make. Depending on what vehicle you're servicing, you'll have up to 3 options to choose from. The first option is Oil Reset. This will turn off the oil light after an oil change has been completed. Tap the arrow next to the Oil Reset description. Here you'll find a description of the service and manufacturer-specific step-by-step instructions on how to reset your oil light. These steps will typically be tasks such as pressing buttons or pedals in a particular order. For some vehicles, there may be multiple ways to perform a reset. The second option is TPMS Reset. This will reset your tire pressure light after you experience a low-pressure event. Tap the arrow next to the TPMS Reset description. As with Oil Light Reset, you'll find a service description and manufacturer-specific step-by-step instructions on how to reset your TPMS light. Finally, there is battery registration. For some vehicles, after a new battery has been installed, the battery must be registered to ensure optimal battery performance. If your vehicle supports battery registration, tap the arrow next to the description to view the steps. The steps needed to register a battery may vary considerably depending on the make of the vehicle. Before registering your battery, ensure you are familiar with the requirements and procedures for your specific vehicle. In some cases, performing the registration incorrectly could cause suboptimal battery performance, so carefully follow all directions. That sums up all the service features BlueDriver has to offer. If you are having trouble with service options or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry. Our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.